na napag-aralan namin sa school, marami. Lahat ng henerasyon ay nararamdaman ang kanyang talento dahil ginampanan niya maayos ang mga pelikulang ito. Now, Vilma's contributions, I think they extend beyond entertainment. Her public service as mayor, as governor and congresswoman reflects her commitment to making a meaningful impact to the lives of her constituents. Yung journey po niya, from real to real, mirrors the depth of characters she portrayed. So, she's very much respected, untarnished by any accusations of corruption. Naging Mayor V siya, Governor V, Congresswoman V. Vilma Santos stands not only as an actress, but also as a symbol of empowerment and resilience, embodying the strength and spirit of Filipino women. Known as the star for all seasons, she continues to excel in both real and real life, always bringing pride to the country. Her enduring legacy as a pioneer and an icon of Philippine cinema will forever shine bright in our hearts and in our minds, inspiring excellence across all seasons, and not just all seasons, but also all generations. For giving voice to the Filipino in her many guises, struggles, and opportunities across 6 decades, she has portrayed the evolution of Philippine womanhood through her accomplished portrayals in both movies, television, and also in public service. So, we believe, naniniwala po kami, that Vilma Santos has contributed significantly to the development of Filipino cultural impact and identity. So today, sa araw po na ito, we would like to honor her as a paragon of professionalism. We would like to honor her as a protector of the community. We honor her as a cultural champion. And more importantly, we also honor her as a nation builder. So sa ngalan po ng aming organisasyon, sa aming officers, sa aming board of directors, namely po Piolo Pascual, Iza Calzado, Agot Isidro, Cherry Pai Picache, Maylin Dizon, Jasmine Curtis, at ang aming board of advisors na si Mr. Christopher De Leon, Tirso Cruz III, at si Charo Santos Concho na nagpaparating po ng kanyang espesyal na mensahe ngayon. Gusto po sana niyang makarating pero may taping po siya ng Batang Quiapo. Pero gusto ko talagang basahin ang kanyang special message para kay Ate V. She really wants to be here today. And sa ngalan po ni Ms. Charo, ito po ang kanyang mensahe. I fully support actor's nomination for the Star for All Seasons, Vilma Santos, for National Artist. Her extraordinary depiction of remarkable characters in films such as Anak, Dekada 70, Bata-Bata, Paano Ka Ginawa, Everything About Her, and many others have brought upliftment, learning and joy to viewers of all ages. She has been an inspiration to many Filipino artists, including me, and I hope her artistry will be appreciated by generations to come. From Charo Santos Concho. And on that note, we wholeheartedly endorse the nomination of Rosa Vilma Santos Recto to the Order of National Artist for Film and Broadcast. Maraming salamat.
Wow! Thank you very much!
Was it unanimous decision po ba among the members of ACTOR?
Okay, so salamat po sa tanong na yun. Again, as mentioned, ang ACTOR ay isa lamang sa maraming organisasyon na nagtutulak para sa nominasyon ng mga Vilma Santos. And nagkataon at maganda yung naging timing dahil nagkaroon po kami ng aming second General Assembly kamakailan, mga over a month ago. And syempre, we were all discussing yung mga programs, yung mga gagawin in the future. And nakuha namin yung balita na merong movement. So meron po talagang nabubuong movement. And we are just fortunate that we became part of that movement. So we discussed it amongst us officers, yung bagong board po na na-elect nung time na yon. Yung mga nabanggit ko po, sila Piolo, sila Iza, Maylin, etc. Lahat po kami. And we decided to endorse Vilma Santos para po sa larangan ito. And we issued our first ever board resolution ng bagong board nominating Vilma Santos para sa order na ito.
Ilan po sir ang active members ng
Right now, nung nag-umpisa kasi kami, nasa around 150. Pero after ng second General Assembly, nasa mga around 300 na siya. At ano pa rin, hindi pa rin po natatapos yung aming pag-imbita, pagtanggap ng mga bagong members. Kasi ongoing po yan, ongoing po siya. Ongoing yung pakikipag-usap, yung discussions, yung mga meetings. Sa katunayan, halimbawa, sa Family Feud, tuwing meron kaming guest na bagong guest, na member ng ating industriya. So I am fortunate enough to be able to talk to them. Masabi sa kanila na, ito po yung organization. At minsan sila yung nagtatanong. And then yun ang nagiging venue para maimbitahan namin sila sa tamang timing. Siguro, masasagot ko ang tanong ngayon doon sa paano yung impact sa akin ni Ate V. And I would say na yung impact niya ay generational din talaga. Across all seasons and across all decades. Dahil ang unang encounter ko po kay Ate V, hindi ko po makakalimutan, ay noong mga late 80s nung nag-promote kami ng aming school play sa GMA sa kanyang programang Vilma sa Broadway Centrum. Hindi ko makakalimutan yan. I was I think 7 years old. Kasi nag-promote po yung school namin doon. So yun po yung una kong sa kanya. And magmula nun, Siyempre hindi ko siya nakausap doon, pero alam kong Vilma Santos po siya noon. Mula noon, kakaiba na po yung naging impact niya dahil later on, eventually, pumasok ako sa industriya. And naging bahagi ho talaga ng aking consciousness, yung kanyang body of work, yung kanyang persona, yung kanyang appearance in general, physical or not. Kasi ramdam mo kasi talaga yung kanyang involvement. And hindi lang siya in one season or one generation, pero equal ba yung pagkakaramdam mo sa kanya up to this day? Up to this day, she managed to make herself very, very relevant. Diba? And I think yun yung pinakamahalaga sa lahat. Kung nangyari ito 10 years ago, mas sapat, mas tama ba? Hindi ko alam. Pero masasabi ko na ngayon, after experiencing all these, and especially she just recently turned 70. And imagine in the context of being in the industry for 60 years, parang 10 years old pa lang nandito na po siya. So I think ito po yung tamang panahon. Opo, sa aking personal na panahon.
We have a reaction from the Mare Pario.
Siguro kanina, talagang saludo kami na ikaw ang namumuno ng actor. What was your first, paano ito nabuo? Kasi I'm sure, sabi mo nga, nagkaroon kayo ng konsultasyon, nagkaroon kayo ng meeting with the members and of course the board of officials. So, paano niyo ito nabuo? Kasi napakarami ng endorsement after that. Ang daming sumuporta, ang daming sektor ang sumuporta. At paano niyo ito napagtagpi-tagpi?
I'd ask her. Gaya ng sabi ko po kanina, as soon as the idea came out, unanimous po yung naging response, especially ng aming board. So wala na pong discussion. Of course, dahil individually, alam ko po na malaki rin po ang naging impact at epekto ni Ate V sa buhay ng aming mga board members. So sila rin willingly, nagbigay po sila ng kanilang yes immediately. So it was actually the easiest first board meeting first board resolution that we did. So yun po kumbaga that's done, nasubmit na po natin. Pero ang mas exciting po ngayon ay dahil mas marami na pong nakakaalam through this press conference, marami rin pong ibang movements, not just from our members but also from other sectors. Halimbawa, meron na pong nag-suggest sa aming chat room na mag-stage po kami ng mga movie screenings ng mga pelikula ni Ate V. Sila rin po, sila Yusek, nag-suggest din po sila ng ganon. And I think yun po yung maganda sa mga ganitong klaseng pagtitipon. Pagkatapos po ng movement na ito, alam natin na may mga iba pong susunod, especially from those who love Ate V and those whose lives she has touched. So ganun po, like again in our group, may mga ganung inisyatibo na rin po na magaganap.
Maraming salamat and of course we are in support of this movie.
Yes!
So,
Tita Astrid,
Congratulations.
thank you very much. Now we have Miss Natalie Tumada from Philippine Star.
So, anong reaction ni Ate B nung una niyong sinabi na parang actor will nominate?
Sa totoo lang, hindi pa kami nag-usap about it. She doesn't know that we are doing this. In fact, when we had our general assembly, we did not talk about it. So, ito ay ginawa talaga namin nang hindi niya nalalaman. Because, I think mas maganda yung gano'n, di ba? Kung nandyan na, sigurado na rin, saka tayo mag-usap-usap. But, of course, I wish makita natin siya very, very soon. And after today, ang prayer po talaga natin ay sana maigawad sa kanya ito.
And,
Voice over
may ano yung
We phone in. Ikaw na talaga, Rose.
Pero after nito, nag-file na kayo ng nomination, what's next?
With regards to the process, I think I'm not in the position to answer that. Pero at least masasagot ko yung sa amin, sa organisasyon namin, kung anong gagawin. Like what I mentioned to Tita Aster, magkakaroon po ng mga ongoing activities, maybe in the form of screening or kung ano man, para syempre kumbaga para may paramdam at ma-relive po natin sa consciousness ng ating community. 'Di ba yung mga nagawa ni Ate V? Although alam naman natin na very much felt na, pero syempre gusto nating balikan and gusto nating mas bigyan ng diin kung bakit ba natin pinupush ito. So I think that should be the top priority, at least from our group. Sa ibang grupo or sa ibang mga movers, I'm sure they also have their own individual plans about that.
Okay. Thank you, Uncle.
Thank you, Natalie. To answer your questions, process us.
Official, di ba? Para maging official yung announcement. Tagal pa di ba?
Matagal pa, oo.
Yes.
So, as for the organization, there's only so much that we can do. Like what I mentioned a while ago, we can also advocate for screening the films and also have some
Where will this be
intimate
held?
gatherings, diba? Pero wala pa pong plans about that. But syempre, with regards to the organization, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung mga programs po namin and projects. Because itong support po sa kanya ay isa po sa mga, para kumbaga, mahalagang milestone din ng organization na ito. So, nakabantay rin po, nakaantay rin kung ano pa yung kakailanganing support in the next coming months to make this possible.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Any other questions?
Be doing in case it doesn't go your way? Would there be like a motion to actually re-nominate in the next years, or what would you do as an action?
Siguro mas magandang instead of thinking of a plan B, we exert all efforts to make this work. And I think ngayon pa lang po talaga yung magiging umpisa ng lahat ng ito dahil gaya na nabanggit ni Ambet, magkakaroon po ng deliberations, there will be fact-checking, di ba, sa iba't ibang larangan, iba't ibang industriya. So siguro I would like to focus more on how we can strengthen, di ba, itong nomination na ito rather than it's also good to have a backup plan, pero hindi talaga malakas po yung paninindigan namin, malakas yung aming pananampalataya. And this I want to share, the fact that we are all together, the fact that the 22 organizations, 20 or more organizations came together and just ni-revisit natin yung body of work ni Ate V is already something that we should celebrate. In fact, when I was going over lahat ng kanyang ginawa, parang sabi ko sa sarili ko, grabe, paano nagawa ng isang tao ito, di ba? Doon pa lang isa na siyang matinding inspirasyon para sa akin. At ito yung mga bagay na po pwede rin nating mai-share, lalo na sa mga bagong henerasyon ng mga aktor, na ito ang body of work ng isang Vilma Santos, na ito ang isang tao na gusto natin matularan, di ba, para may gabay din tayo kasi alam natin na hindi po madali itong industriya ang ginagalawan natin. But to have someone like her there, a pillar who serves as a guiding principle. I think napakagandang pong matutunan ito. And this exercise, di ba, this nomination exercise is definitely something worth it. So, sana po yung energy is mas ilagay doon sa pagdarasal, sa pananampalataya na talagang maibigay sa kanya ito.
Now, siguro question ko is for your organization. How does one become a part of it?
Oh,
And what qualifications do they need to have in order for them to be a member?
okay, so two ways. Kung pwedeng contact us, we have a website. It's actor.ph. Either that or we reach out to individual actors kasi hindi naman po marami ang mga actor. Sabihin natin maybe close to 1,000. And mas gusto namin yung talagang personal na pag-uusap. Kasi napapaliwanag kung ano ba ang nagagawa ng organisasyon, ano yung benefit sa kanya, and ano ba talaga yung vision ng organization. But everything is reflected in our website. So kung ang isang aktor ay gusto maging membro, pwede siya pumasok doon at magre-register po siya and we will get in touch with him or her. As for the qualifications, well, unang-una kailangan aktor po sa larangan ng telebisyon, pelikula, or sometimes may crossover din po sa social media. May crossovers din po sa entablado kasi alam naman natin na yung ating magagaling na artista ay nagko-crossover na po ngayon, di ba? Especially in the advent of the streaming platforms, mas lumalawak na talaga yung ginagalawan nating entablado. So, as long as active in the past 2 years, na meron siya talagang trabaho, and then as long as pasok po sa criteria ng aming organisasyon. And these are basic criteria like halimbawa kailangan may good standing moral, etc. So yung mga basic lang. Nandun po naman sa lahat sa aming website.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you. So we're going to entertain our last question. Last question na po.
Who wants to throw the last?
Numerous achievements, super numerous achievements. Nabanggit mo na isa pa sa hinahangaan nyo sa kanya ay yung kanyang untarnished image. No? Not just as an actor, but as a person. Sa tingin nyo ba, laging magiging parte yon ng konsiderasyon ng actor sa mga inonominate nila in the future? At bakit mahalaga yun?
Yes, and that sa tingin ko isa lang po yun sa mga dapat i-consider. Kasi syempre, pag sinabi mong national artist, tinilaan natin yan, hindi lang ng industriya, kundi ng buong bansa. So, kailangan po talaga na siya yung maging halimbawa na kung ano ba ang gusto nating ideal na artist. Kagaya po ng sinabi ko kanina, na-imagine po namin, naswak po si Ate V dun sa vision ng aktor. So ano ba yung vision namin ng isang aktor? Siya isang proud actor, sabi nga namin, na siya isang paragon of professionalism. Siya isang cultural champion, di ba? Siya ay isang protector of the community at saka isang nation builder. So gusto namin ito sa lahat ng members. Yun yung aming ideal state of each member. And we're just happy to say that all these are present in ATV. So that, yung sinabi mo, and many more qualifications, yun po talaga kailangan careful consideration kasi aminin po natin, hindi naman po lahat merong ganon. Kaya now that we're presented with someone like ATV, then talagang all effort and full force to really acknowledge this and push for this.
Hindi lang naman siya an award for acting, di ba? For a particular work, hindi lang ganun eh. Hindi lang ganun kasi.
Correct. So talaga makita mo, multifaceted talaga siya. Ang daming larangan, nabanggit natin kanina, bukod sa yung body of work niya, bukod sa pelikula, nandyan yung television, siyempre nandyan yung public service. But I think more importantly, kung gaano nila sustain yung impact na yun all throughout these 6 generations na naging relevant pa rin siya up to this date and time.
Thank you. Yung last question ko, siguro 3 beses nabanggit na Miss Santos is the most awarded actress in Philippine history. Like, may bilang ba?
Base sa aming detalye at na research, yes.
niyo po ba? Ano yung pinakamataas na nakuha mo ng award for the film?
Well, kagaya ng ano, yung mga Oscar nominations niya, 'di ba? For Dekada at saka Sister Stella. Hindi, Oscars ba Sister Stella? Anak. Oh, diba? Plus, of course, alam niyo, mahirap naman sabihin ano yung pinaka-highest. Dahil marami po tayong award-giving bodies. Ngayon nga, we also acknowledge the award-giving bodies sa ating mga paaralan. Diba? Meron po tayong mga award-giving bodies sa ating paaralan. Pero syempre, as an actor, it is also my wish na magkaroon din tayo ng parang, Academy Awards na talagang, represented, very well represented by all guilds and all stakeholders of the industry. But again, dun sa number of awards, talagang napakarami. Sabi ko, 3 pahin na po yan. But I think that this is more than just an award.
Pero wala lang po tayong data ngayon kung ilan talaga, no?
Meron.
Yung exact-
I can give it to you. I can give it to you.
Kasama din po doon yung awards, international awards.
Yes, everything. May listahan niya. I can give it to you.
Salamat po.
Okay, thank you so much to